Myself, N. Naganika, Government Model Degree College, Ellareddy, lecturer in Commerce. Here let us discuss about stores ledger and the job costing in Tally ERP 9. Tally ERP 9. Now, so stores ledger is a book. So it contains accounts of various stock items which are in the store. Here when storekeeper gets or issue any items of inventory, he records it in the respective stock items account. So every item account shows the total receipt, total issue, total balance of the stock. So both quantity and value of items is recorded in each amount. Now, so stores ledger contains the stock receipts and stock issues. So this is the pro forma of stores ledger. This is the pro forma of stores ledger. Here stores ledger contains receipts, quantity receipts, rates, amount. Next issues, serial number, quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount. So storekeeper maintains this stores ledger in the godown. So here various stock valuation methods. Various stock valuation methods. Various stock valuation methods. So here an inventory is used to provide monetary value for the items that make up their inventory. Inventories are usually the largest current asset of the business, and proper measurement of them is essential to assure exact financial statement. So there are 3 inventory valuation methods. So here the first one is FIFO method, first in first out. First in first out, FIFO. So the first method is first in first out method. Here this is valuation method. FIFO stands for first in first out method. Here inventory items. So whenever the inventory sold that inventory issued to the manufacturer department first. Here oldest inventory items are recorded as sold first, but do not necessarily mean that exact oldest physical object has been tracked and the sold. In other words, the cost associated with the inventory that was purchased first, the cost expenses the first. Then next is last in first out method. Second method is last in first out, LIFO. So whenever the material last purchase that will be issued to the first manufacturing department. Third one is weighted average method. Weighted average method. In the valuation method, the weighted average approach, both inventory and the cost of goods sold are based upon the average cost of all units bought during the period. When inventory turns over the rapidly in the approach will be more closely resemble FIFO and the LIFO. Here some costing methods in Tally ERP 9. Some costing methods in Tally ERP 9. So stock valuation, here at zero cost method, average cost, FIFO perpetual, last purchase cost, LIFO annual and LIFO perpetual, and standard cost, monthly average cost. Market valuation methods are at zero price method, average price method, lost sales method, and standard price method. So to get the LIFO, so here select the new column button in stock summary screen. Select new column button on the button bar, press Alt plus C. Here screen appears like this. This is stock summary screen. For example, the company Sri and Company column from blank, beginning from 1/4/2015. Name of the group is primary. Method of stock valuation is, that is, so you can select any of these stock valuation method. Types of the values are stock and hand. So you can select any type of the stock valuation method from this drop down menu. Then select the FIFO method from the stock valuation list. Do same for the other method. So here valuation of the stock given, the grand total. Next is, these are stock valuation method. Then let us discuss about the job costing. Let us discuss the job costing. So the job costing features allows us to track the cost and revenue information down to the smallest detail. Cost associated with the planning, implementation and completion of a project or jobs are known as job cost. Job costing includes expenses related to the labor, material purchases, subcontractor costs, as well as other cost and inventory consumed on the project. So we can track the costs, expenses by assigning them to specific incomes received on the account of the jobs or projects. Job costing is used to revenue and expenditure and therefore the profit associated with the each job. Job means here a particular planning or implementation or completion of a project. So how to enable the job costing in Tally? So enabling job costing how to enable the job costing in Tally. So job costing feature in Tally is used to track all income and expenses of a project. Each project or job is created cost center. Means here for each job we have to create one cost center. The cost center means wherever the cost incurs, that is called a cost center. And inventory option, maintain multiple godowns are integrated in Tally to enable the job costing. If the company maintains accounts with inventory, for example, company that maintains the accounts only, job costing feature cannot be enabled. So company maintains inventory, accounts with inventory, we can enable the job costing feature. Accounts only means we cannot enable the job costing feature. So here to enable the job costing, so first we have to go to the F11 features menu. So to enable the job costing, first we have to go to the F11 features. F11 features, then inventory features, maintain multiple godowns. So give the S option, and again for accounting features, accounting inventory features, we have to give the S option. Here this is F11 features menu. Here integrate accounts and inventory gives the S option, and here maintain cost centers, give S option. Use cost center for job costing, give S option. And again in F11 features, maintain multiple godowns, give the yes option. So first we have to enable the three options in F11 features menu. First is maintaining cost centers, give S option. Use cost center for the job costing, give S option. Maintain multiple go downs, give S option. Then creating job costing party ledgers. Creating job costing party ledgers. Creating job costing party ledgers. Create party accounts for our customers under the sundry debtors. Our customers means under account sundry debtors. We can create a ledger for Delhi customer, or Bihar customer. Similarly, create suppliers under the sundry creditors. Customers means under account is sundry debtors. Suppliers means under account is sundry creditors. So gateway of tally, the procedure is gateway of tally, arrow mark, accounts info, arrow mark, ledger, create. So here creating the sales and purchase ledger, create sales ledger and sales ledger. Under account is sales account. For creating the purchase ledger, under account is purchase account. So that field cost centers are applicable. So for cost centers are applicable, give S option. So whatever the ledgers you want to create, you include in the job costing. So create income and expenses ledgers. Create income and expenditure ledgers. Here, so to create the income and expenditure for the project inspection, so under the direct income account, expenses ledgers are, for example, expenses means here transport charges, etc. So transport charges under is indirect expenses account. So direct expenses can be under the indirect expenses. Direct expenses means here transport charges, income, indirect expenses, all indirect expenses comes under the profit and loss account. So to enable the cost centers are applicable, give S option. Then creating cost centers for job costing. Creating cost centers for job costing. Creating cost centers for job costing. Here we can create different cost centers for different projects. So to enable the cost centers, gateway of tally, accounts info, gateway of tally, accounts info, arrow mark, cost center, create. So for creating the cost centers for job costing, gateway of tally, accounts info, cost center, create. Next, creating go downs and locations for job costing. Creating go downs and locations for job costing. Creating godowns and locations for job costing. Here, so first we have already enabled the creating godowns options in F11 features button. Next, to create a godown, so gateway of Tally, then inventory info, arrow mark godowns, create. Then after creation of godowns, so we have to create voucher classes for the stock journals and posting the required vouchers in accounting vouchers. So accounting vouchers means purchase voucher, payment voucher, journal voucher, stock journal. Use stock journal for enter the godowns transfers and stores as well as for consumption. Now job costing reports. So how to get the job costing reports in Tally? Job costing reports. Job costing reports. Here the first report is the job work analysis report. The job work analysis the job work analysis report. So here multiple companies, multiple jobs, multiple currencies in a single report. To view the job work analysis report, gateway of Tally, arrow mark display, arrow mark statements of accounts, statements of accounts, arrow mark job work analysis, job work analysis. Then next materials consumption, material consumption summary report. Material consumption summary report. Material consumption summary report. Here it gives the details of material consumed for a particular project or particular location. So this is like a stores ledger. This is like a stores ledger. Thank you.